Hello, I'm unboxing my new video doorbell, Ring Doorbell Pro. This is the unboxing of the Ring Doorbell Pro version. I just got it from Home Depot website. They were actually able to price match with me another website, which was only $149. On Ring website is $199, so I was able to get a good discount. So I'm like, I have been trying to get one of these for a long time, so finally I was able to get it. So today I'm going to see what's in it, how it works. I'll probably do the installation later, but I'm too excited to open it up and check it out what's in it. All right, so first, it's very nice box. Comes like this, and as you can see, I got the Pro version. This is the latest. So let's open it up. I'm going to open it up here. I'll do another video for the installation. I hate to rip things off, so I try to be. I always try to take my time and rip it off nicely so it doesn't ruin the box or anything in case I need to return it. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but still, it's you know easier to return if it need to be returned for any cases. It's plugged in here too. Let me take these off. Actually, I'm going to use my keys to cut this off. That's it. I could just push it open like this. What's going on? There you go. So once you open it up, it opens up like this. Here you have, this is just the empty cover, put it over there. So here they have the actual doorbell, and there's some booklets how to use it. Oh look, they actually includes different. Let me put this away. So here's the actual doorbell. Let's see. There's the bell. They actually include different color of the face. This is like more brownish and black, and now there's like cream vanilla color. Yeah, there was only, they told me it only comes in silver, but apparently looks like they're wrong. It comes with different faces that you could match it up with whatever wall colors or things you have. Then it comes with the screwdriver that you need for the installation. And what else is in there? There's some books. there's some hardwares. Remember this is not battery powered. This is direct connected. Um, but, so this is they include some extensions, cables in case wires in case you need you don't have enough out on your existing doorbell. So they just add extra to it in case you need it, which is nice. Then you have the actual hardware that you need to install it. So I'm trying to figure out what is this. So yeah, so that's just extra hardwares to screw the into the holes, and then you have this goes into your existence Ring doorbell. Yeah, you just plug it in to your existing ones, and that's it. I will do another video for the installation. Seems to be a pretty straightforward installation. Should not take too long. But I just don't have the time today. It's dark outside too, so I don't, and dark and cold. So I'll probably just do the video for installation on a different time. So here are the tools, hardwares. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is my first video on doing reviews and open boxes. I look forward to do more items in the future. Alright, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.